In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and organize notes in Joplin. Joplin is a fast, privacy-minded notes app for desktop and mobile. Once you know the basics, you can capture ideas in seconds and keep everything neatly sorted. Start by opening the app. On desktop, you get the full experience, including support for plugins. On mobile, you can still write and manage notes, but plugins aren't available. In the left sidebar, you'll see your notebooks. Click the notebook where you want the new note to live. If you need a fresh one, use File, then New Notebook to create it. With the destination ready, create your note. Click the New Note button, usually a plus sign at the top, and Joplin will add a blank note to the selected notebook. Prefer the keyboard. Use Ctrl plus N on Windows or Linux, or Command plus N on a Mac. Now write your note. Give it a clear title at the top, then type your content in the editor below. Joplin uses Markdown, a simple way to add formatting without menus getting in your way. Use headings to break up sections, bold or emphasis for key points, lists for tasks or ideas, and links to reference websites or files. If you like, open the preview to see how the formatting renders as you go. You don't need to save. Joplin auto-saves as you type, so your work is protected even if you switch notes or close the app. When moving quickly between devices, leave a moment for changes to finish syncing. A few optional features can keep things tidy. Add tags to label notes with keywords, then use search to pull up everything with the same tag, even across different notebooks. Attach files by dragging images, PDFs, or other documents right into the note. They're stored with the note so context stays in one place. If something is time sensitive, set a reminder to get a notification on desktop or mobile. And that's all there is to it. You opened Joplin, picked a notebook, created a note, wrote it with clean Markdown powered formatting, and let autosave do the rest, with tags, attachments, and reminders available whenever you need them.